Hey there riders, Moto Journo Kris here today, and I wanted to have a chat about GoPro's new media mod for the GoPro Hero 8. And I'm really excited to see how this handles, because I think for a lot of people, kind of doing the all-round blogging thing in one camera, particularly in something like the GoPro Hero 8 Black, is going to be a really good solution. Now, in the past, we've actually seen them provide a mic adapter for the earlier versions, and it's not a great solution because it doesn't actually connect to the camera in a meaningful way. Like, it plugs in, but there's no way of mounting it to the camera itself. The GoPro Hero 8 Black Media Mod is integrated. So as you can see here, it's a pretty cool piece of kit. $130 here in Australia. It's a bit cheaper in America. I think it might be around the $80 or $90 mark. And obviously, you know, it's an expensive camera to start off with, so you're paying a fair bit for the media mod. The media mod actually does a lot of things right, which I'm really impressed by. And in a way, GoPro have actually taken a little bit of inspiration from, you know, kind of aftermarket accessories people who've done a similar kind of thing using their original mic adapter. As you can see here, I've got my Shoei Hornet ADV helmet, and I've got this mount on the front. This is the Olanzi GoPro mount for the GoPro Hero 7, and it does a really good job. And what that does is it mounts the mic adapter down in the bottom there, which does add a bit of height, and it's also got a hot shoe mount on the top. So obviously what GoPro are doing isn't new, but it's something new out of them as a genuine accessory. I think this case was like the $40 or $50 mark, so not cheap really. And then the mic adapter was on top of that, which was maybe $60 or $70. So the price of those two things is very close to the media mod. And now you're just getting one integrated solution for the Hero 8 Black, which I think is a good solution. All right, we've got a user manual, which I probably won't use unless I can't figure something out, which hopefully it'll be pretty user-friendly. And then we've got the media mod there, which, you know, pretty compact, pretty cool. It's styled as like the old cage style, and obviously it incorporates, you know, all the features in one. You're also getting, you can see here, one GoPro mount. That's not the ball joint mount, one of just the taller mounts. And you're also getting one mount screw to go with that. And I gotta say, like, buying the GoPro Hero 8 Black, there was not that much in the box apart from the camera, particularly now that there's no cage. So it's nice that they've added another mount for that. So having a look at it like this, as you can see, it's quite a compact piece of kit. Obviously, because we're talking the Hero 8, the inbuilt legs are actually going to come through the bottom of the cage, so there's no actual need to mount. And also, one of the things that you'll notice is that the new system, where they've got that side opening and a removable door, that's based around the media mod, obviously, because the media mod needs to connect in. So the media mod itself, you've got like I think it's an omni-directional microphone here. You've got the on and off button there. You've got the mode button for turning the GoPro on and going through the settings. The side of the media mod opens up using a switch, which is very similar to that found on the side of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So quite a nice integrated design. The build quality is really exceptional, as you'd expect. And then it's just a matter of, I'm just going to do this upside down, sliding in your GoPro Hero 8 Black. There we go, so it's slid in now. And then you've got just that releasing mechanism there, and it just pivots out. So really simple. Getting those legs out, because it's quite close, like quite a small amount of clearance in there. Still doable with a finger. I think if you haven't got any fingernails, maybe a little bit harder. And then on the back, we've got a USB-C, and we have got possibly a HDMI out. Not to mention, probably the most important one for a lot of people is the mic adapter, the 3.5 mic adapter. That's something that I use a heap on my GoPro Hero 7 with the mic adapter. Being able to plug a microphone in makes such a difference. Whether this is going to be a solution that you could use on the motorcycle mounted to your helmet with a mic plugged into it, I'm not sure. I don't know whether the mic overrides the actual microphones built into the Media Mod. I would assume so. If so, it might do the job quite well. I'm going to be doing a separate video testing this out really soon, and we'll have a look at just kind of how it stands up in real world conditions, because that to me is quite interesting. But I think it's really good that GoPro have kind of taken a product that they started off with the mic adapter, and then third-party companies, they made something out of that which worked as far as making a cage that it would mount into and making it an integrated solution. GoPro have been quite slow in that regard. I guess from my perspective, I feel like this kind of solution is the kind of thing they should be working on hard. I mean, they've done some really cool stuff. Like they've done audio syncing with Bluetooth, I believe it was, with Sena, so that you could sync from a Sena comm system into the GoPro. And to me, I know it's a niche group, but as a motorcyclist, I really feel like it'd be great if we could get some Bluetooth or wireless syncing of the camera itself to communication systems. But anyway, quite interesting, and yeah, I'm looking forward to testing this out and seeing just how this mod basically stacks up, particularly compared to the old microphone adapter and having to jerry-rig that up with some aftermarket accessories. So thanks for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below as well. Don't forget to sub, hit that notification bell, and stay safe out there.